Hello guys, so today we have a tutorial on how to make a Pico voice. So first you want to have a voice to make Pico voice like this. Wait.
Searching for that stuff, yeah.
That's it. So next you assign group 1 at least to this, and then you go this, and in principle you want to add this. That's it. You don't have to do anything else.
Searching for that stuff, yeah.
But if you want, you can add some good teaser, just for it to sound a bit more clean.
Searching for that stuff, yeah. Searching for that stuff, yeah.
Shut up, please. Alright, so you can also use this one
Searching for
or this one.
Searching for
It doesn't really make a difference.
that stuff, yeah.
But here, this is the Pico tutorial. Look.
Searching for that stuff, yeah.
And you also have to do some work with your voice, but that's it. Thank you guys.